Hi, and welcome to another training session. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to set up Google Search Console for one of your websites. It's actually very important that you do set up Google Search Console for all your websites, because in reality, this is the only way that Google can actually communicate with you should you have a problem. The other benefit is that all the tools that Google offer through Google Search Console are actually there for your benefit. Google will tell you in great detail what's wrong with your website, what it actually knows about your website, and if you're doing marketing, then that's invaluable material. Let's continue. I've already logged into my own Google Search Console, and this is one of our own websites here. But if I just click on the down arrow, drop down, I can add property. And this is where we can actually enter the full URL for our website that we want to set up. So this is actually for one of our own clients. I'm putting the full URL here, and it's www.tcsolutions.com. I previously used this website in an example for how to set up Google Tag Manager, which I recommend that you do first, because that makes the whole verification process so much easier. Now, why should we be concerned about verification? Well, this is to save me from basically putting any website in here, effectively setting up Google Search Console for any website. It must be a website that I actually own or have control of, because otherwise we could put websites for any competitors, BBC website, etc., and get all their data that Google see. So you've got to be verified. So now, when I hit the continue button, Google is actually going to verify that I actually have access to this website. And as I said previously, because we'd set up Google Tag Manager, it knows that I have access. So when I click this, it should verify. And there's how quickly it verified. So now, I click the button, that is us now got Google Search Console set up for tcdebtsolutions.com. Now I know, because I've just set this up, that all the various options here will basically be blank at this point in time. And as you can see, they're processing the data that they hold for this website, and when they have that data, it will be shown back in here in the various sections. Now that can take up to several hours to a day to a couple of days, depending on what data Google hold. But in effect, that is it. That was how quickly I could actually set up Google Search Console for one of the websites. So keep watching for our other videos